Hi, today from Great Taste of Las Vegas, we're going to cook soy sauce pork and pork fillet, but we make it really quick in 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes using pressure cooker. First of all, let soak the meat steak in the soy sauce, half water, half soy sauce, and let it there for 10 minutes before you cook, okay? So here we got some pork. You're going to put in 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of water. This is a process of soaking it for 15 minutes to rinse out any impurity and flavoring it at the same time. Stir it around, soak that. Make sure the meat is under the water under here. If it needed to add more water to this, we soak it in here for even half an hour or 15 minutes or 20 minutes or an hour whenever we cut a sweet onion here. Cut it so you can lay on the bottom of this pressure cooker. We put the pork, marinated pork now, inside the pressure cooker on top of the onion. Okay? Don't use a sauce. We're going to put in a new sauce. We're going to put in what we call it oregano, some oregano. Oregano is a really good herb. It has antibacterial, anti-fungus, so it's good for the stomach. A little bit of Monterey steak seasoning. If you don't have it, just salt and pepper is good enough. Vegetable soy sauce, okay? So we put 1 tablespoon, some pepper, and some water. That's it. We cook 20 minutes, should be good. Try to pour it so the sauce going down, mix inside like that. Mix the sauce. It should not have too much. You see there's water there already in there. You don't need a lot, but you need water to cook it. So just put about half bottle of this 16 ounce. You put a lid on to lock position. Put it at pressure, not release. You know where the dot is? Lock that. Gotta be under the lock position. And then turn it on to pressure. Put high pressure. Pressure time, push it in menu. High pressure. Go to the next one, high pressure. And then time, I go for 15 minutes. That's it. And then start. Okay, will cook itself. In 15 minutes, you got soy sauce pork. Should be tender. So this is your pork, pressure cooker pork. So let's taste the mix. Yeah. So it needs soy sauce. 2 tablespoons. After I tasted, I realized we need 2 tablespoons. And if you need more color, you can use a little bit of dark soy sauce in there as well for seasoning. So 1 tablespoon. And then, so there's a 2 kind of seasoning we put after. The onions are all coming apart, soft, and the pork should be tender. So let's take one of the piece out to see how tender that is, okay? Wow. It comes right out with a 15 minutes. You can cut with a spoon. Look at that. Okay, so now I'm going to scoop the rest of it out and then show it to you. Tender onion pork. From Great Taste of Las Vegas, hope you're happy and healthy.